Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will share honest review with you guys about Skillshare app. So let's begin the video. Skillshare had made the creative learning basically easy. Here you can get access to different classes. Here you have these graphic designing classes, illustrations classes, animation, film and video, freelancer, and UX UI designs, productivity, photography, fine art, and marketing. These lessons are given by creative pros and industry icons. They provide you different paths to help you achieve your goals, and they also provide you certificates even after the course. They provide online course on these following things. Here you have featured music, you can see here drawing and painting, marketing, animation, social media, UI and UX design, creative writing. You can see here digital illustrations, film and video, crafts, and you can see here freelancers, graphic designs and photography, and here you have classes for productivity. You can choose your niche and you can learn from the Skillshare. Here you can also learn from these creative experts. Now here if I go to the app and if I show you the videos that you can find there. Now here in the app I have researched for animation, and here you can see all the videos related to the animation. Here you have many options.
Hey, my name is Rich Armstrong from TopTopKaboom.com. If you've taken one of my classes in the past, you'll know that I love animated GIFs, doodling, and stop motion animation.
Here you have seen the introduction, which was quite good, and you can see here that almost 30,000 students has taken that classes. And here you can also see what this class will cover. Here you can see that this class will cover animation basic, Procreate animation preparation, creating loop animation and animation, existing artwork and export GIF and videos, and a bunch of Procreate tips and tricks. By the end of this video, you will have command on all these things. And here you can also see the class project, where you can have idea what people had learned and implement on their projects. Similarly, here in the discussion, you can see different people's review. Here you have this review: love this class, you are a good teacher. Here people can also share their queries. Here he is saying that, hey, so when I try to export GIF, they say that export unsuccessful. Please tell me how to send it. Here you have one more review. I have no idea where to go to write a review for you. If I did, I would say you are the only class I actually finished. I very much enjoyed and learned so much from you. Practically, you are showing us your success at the end of the video rather than at the beginning of the video. You can see here how much satisfied and happy people are with the class. Now let's go and see one more class, maybe drawing class this time. Here you have again many options, so I will just go and I will open one.
To my Skillshare class on how to improve your figure drawing. My name is Robert Marzullo and I'll be your class instructor. In this course,
now if I go and if I show you what they have covered in this class, you can see that here he will share the techniques that he has been using for years. And here if we go to discussion, here in discussion you can see some of the people's review, what they think. Here great instructions here. And here you have one more. Here, really loving your course. Thank you so much. I really need to learn more and have much more to learn. You can see here people are so much satisfied with these videos. Now let's go and see one more class, maybe this time a film class. Here you can see all the classes related to film. Here you have seen this filmmaking class tutorial. Here if I go and read some of the reviews for you, here you can see people has posted many reviews. Once again you delivered the goods. These all classes are good and very detailed, so if you want to see full class, then you have to go and you have to buy their subscription plans. They also offer a 30-day free trial, which is also a great deal for testing it out. And here you have these yearly plans and monthly plans, and you have 77% off on the yearly plan, which is a great deal. If you want to buy these plans for a year, then always go with yearly plan, because in yearly plan you have much more concessions. Again, the choice is up to you if you want to buy the monthly plans or the yearly plans. Here I have just opened more reviews to show you guys more about this app. Here you can see this one. This app is great, but it could be better. Here you can see more reviews like great value. I have been a Skillshare subscriber for a couple of years now. It is absolutely the best value for creating content, a real learning experience. Skillshare app is the one that you need if you can find a practical class that you are looking for and what you are trying to find for your skill. This is the app you need. Here you can see one more, best class and community. 10 on 10 app. Here you have love this app, great site to learn. All these reviews, you can see that how much satisfied people are with this app. And here some people are complaining and they are saying that this is a scam because they are charging people for the free trial. Here many people have complained that they have charged them the annual price, some had charged monthly price for the free trial even though they had cancelled that. Here this person has shared that used the app for 10 minutes and then got cancelled, but they have charged him yearly plan price. And here some people are saying that they have buy the yearly plan and they have cut it the whole money at once, don't get free trial. Here many people are complaining about the free trial, so be careful while buying the free trial. Otherwise this app is a really good app. If you want to learn new skill, then I highly recommend you this app. Go and try it out. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.